Shocking news, my lovely, wonderful people. You will be scared, really, and worried with the latest development on rivers. They said Tinubu is the one fueling the rivers crisis. He is backing Wike so he can replace Fubara with an APC guy, so that there is already APC in the south in a strong state. So these are very, 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 very serious allegations. The president of the country, at the heat of the matter, also called, Fubara at the time and said, you cannot stop this. You cannot stop this democracy we started. And I wonder, what democracy? What is the standard of democracy that you're talking about that you started that must be known or that must be kept? So there are all kinds of information, staring us all in the face. And if you wonder to yourself, you'll be wondering how we got here in the first place. So it is unbelievable. It is unbelievable. Every single person is watching, and at the end of the day, we want to see where all of this heads to. You see, so Nigerians, we have to be careful. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Tinubu fueling rivers crisis, backing Wike to replace Fubara with an APC man as governor. A chieftain of the All Progressive Congress APC Rivers State, Eze Chukwuemeka Eze, has condemned the alleged plot to impeach Governor Sim Fubara. In a statement he made available to reporters in Port Harcourt on Tuesday, the former National Publicity Secretary of the diffuse New People Democratic Party, NPDP, also noted that by supporting the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has lost the support of Niger Deltas. Eze alleged that the patriotic political crisis in Rivers State has continued undoubtedly because of the FCT minister who is being supported by Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, which ought not to be. Wike, with his supporters and the support of the presidency, is championing the plot to impeach Governor Fubara in order to install the Speaker of the House as the new governor, who obviously reports to them so they can control the oil-rich states. Obviously, Wike is capitalizing on his unholy political marriage to Tinubu to destabilize Rivers State and ensure Governor Fubara is taken away, solely to ensure that they prepare themselves and go ahead to get themselves ready for the next line of action. They are preparing Martin to become governor to ensure the rigged 2027 general election in Rivers State, as they allege in a statement. Nigerians, watch out. Sadly, this is the reality. For Tinubu and Wike, this evil and undemocratic plot to remove Fubara from office will not only fall like a pack of cards, but will rather strengthen and energize Fubara in his course and effort to ensure the state is rescued from the shackles of vandalizers, all these who are paralyzing the state themselves, claiming to be lawmakers. I have counseled President Bola Ahmed Tinubu from the beginning that his romance with Wike will not only destroy APC as a political party, but will stain his political career as a Democrat. As he said, he explained that the plot to impeach or remove Fubara from the government house will not see the light of day in view of the fact that Tinubu and those supporting Wike may not know much about Rivers politics, which he said is divided among two blocks, the unlanded and the Rivers axis. It may interest the public to note that the upland axis of the state has, through Dr. Peter Odili, Honorable Barrister Chibuke Rotimi Amechi, and Nyesom Wike, governed Rivers for 24 years, while the river axis through Fubara is just governing the state, he added. The APC steward maintained that disrupting and bringing the administration of Fubara to an abrupt end amounts to circumventing the Ijaw nation and other riverine ethnic nationalities in rivers. It is height of political insensitivity inhuman to the Ijaws to be driven out of the governing office because one man shares greed and wants to establish it on people, collect even the blood of the people. Wike warned that the president plots to impeach the first riverine governor and replace him with another unlanded person is simply asking for calamity in the state. The APC chieftain admonished Martin and his colleagues to wake up from their false and fantasy hope. Stop making mockery of serious agenda of lawmakers. Martin and his big wagon to destroy River State will not succeed. Everyone is watching. We know what exactly is going on and will not allow this to continue in any way. Meanwhile, the lack of Wike to tell the people the truth and continue to parade himself as some lord in River State will soon come to an end. If Wike is still the governor of River State, can anyone try what he's doing to Fubara? Can he stomach this political crisis? If not, that Fubara is a man of peace, a loving, kind, amicable, wise human, respectful and easy-going man. Wike and the presidency will see fire. Is it because Fubara is quiet? Daily Post report that Fubara has reached out to the Martin-led lawmakers for peace, but was rebuffed as they did not show up for the peace meeting. So this is what is going on. They've told Martin that he will become governor. And you know what that means? Martin's head is swelling. Me become governor, not just a speaker of the house. And that's why they didn't show. Okay? That's why they didn't show. And everybody is now beginning to wonder what exactly is going on in this country. We all must rise up. We all must rise up and ensure that we do not allow this same thing over and over again. We all must rise up. Okay? So please, do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. Every one of us must bring something fresh to ensure that Nigeria is safe. God bless. Bye for now.